chapter 2, we will discuss about metals and non-metals. Metals means those substances which are shiny in nature, and non-metals have the dull, means they are not have a shiny property. On the other hand, the metals are found in free state of the elements or in combined with the other oxides like that. So in this chapter, first one we will discuss about the physical properties of the or physical state of the metals. Metals means, for example, like chair, utensils, gold, etc. At room temperatures, all the metals are solid, but mercury is the exception in the metals. Mercury are found in liquid state. Then color. Metals are generally grayish in color. Metals are generally grayish in color, means dark color. Then luster. Metals have special luster which is known as the metallic sign, means all the metals have a good luster. And if we talk about the hardness, then all the metals are hard in their natures, or metals have a different in hardness. Sodium and potassium are easily cut like the wood, but another is the hard in nature. Then sonorous means sound producing property. So all the metals have the good sound producing property. So we can say that they are in good nature in the sonorous. Means all the metals can produce a loud sound in the nature. They can produce especially metallic sound when striken with any hard and strong objects. This is called as sonorous nature of the metals. And for these reasons, they are used in the bell instrument and music instruments like that. Then, next point is the density. Normally, the density of the metallic is the high. Means all the metals are dense in the nature. Then we will discuss about the melting point. Two terms is there. One is the melting point and another is the boiling point. Melting point term we will use for the metals, and boiling point we will use for the liquids. So we study about the melting point because we already study about that the metals have the higher density, so their melting point is also high. If we give the heat to the metals to melt them, then it is necessary to provide a huge amount of the heat. So their melting point is the high compared to the non-metals. Then conduction of the heat. All the metals have a good conductivity of the heat. They are good conductor of the heat. So in kitchen, all the utensils are metals because metals have the good conductivity of the heat. Then malleability. Malleability means of the to be drawn into sheet and wires. Metals are malleable and drawn into a sheet. You can easily draw into sheet and like that. So metals have the good malleable property. And then we will discuss about the electric conductance. Means all the metals can flow of electrons current from the metals made of the conductors of the electricity, and for example silver and copper. So all the metals have the good electric conductivity. And the last one is the ductile property. The property of the metals to be drawn into thin wires is called the ductile. Means all the metals can be given the shape in a thin wire. So this property is known as the ductility. All metals are ductile in nature. So compared to non-metals, the ductile nature of the metals is good.